come with me to try Baqba Mexican Grill in Rialto. I think I said it right. Line out the door. Bag secured for a bowl and a burrito. And we got extras and drinks for $38. Let's go try this. Yo, I have a long head. This burrito is massive. Like, so I got chicken, white rice, pico, cheese, sour cream, and corn. And can't forget the chips. I also got a raspberry iced tea. Let's see. Yeah, there's some of these chips on here. Ooh. Yeah. First bite. I can't explain it. I don't know what this is. I think this is like guacamole sauce or something like that. Ooh. That is delish. Oh my God. This is amazing. If you are in the Inland Empire area, please go to Baqba in Rialto. Like, it's like Chipotle, but the flavors are more smooth. I can't explain it. Just go together so well. Y'all need to go try some. Baqba's Mexican Grill in Rialto. This is like so good. I'm really not supposed to be eating dairy, but I had to get it today. Like, we're gonna need a big bite because I'm big and I'm greedy in a big bag. Oh, no, I need you to be on my spoon. Raspberry sweet tea. It's the only tea I'll drink. That's a big bite. Oh, don't drop. Last bite for y'all because I'm finna finish this off camera. Ooh, sauce on there. Oh, I also put queso in here. I forgot. Go get y'all some Baqba.